Where's the drone? Oh my god, it's landing. On the fifth. Shit, boys. Okay, so it landed, shut off, so I guess we'll just gotta manually look for this baby. Oh crap. Oh crap. We got about an hour of light left. We should find her. It definitely, the last picture I seen, it looked like weeds, so it should be, you know, it shouldn't be out there, which would be much easier if it was out there. Holy. God, easy. Crap. This is gonna be a tough one, boys. We just gotta keep looking. Like I said, we got maybe an hour of light, so we'll just keep going back and forth, I guess. Brutal. I should have checked. I was gonna check. Going slow, and the last thing I want to do is get frickin' buried. I don't got a shovel or anything on me. Probably about, I don't know, maybe 4 miles from home, so it wouldn't take too long to walk, but it would definitely be dark. What do you think? Think with every pass our chances go lower or higher? I'd say higher. The more area you searched, you know, hopefully, if you were doing a specific sort of grid search, which I'm not really, just hoping to spot it. The last thing I seen on the screen was just, it's kind of stuff just like that. Like not real tall. So you think that would rule out enough of the area. Okay, boys, thank God that it you know, it gives you a cache of video on your phone. So I reviewed the footage and basically it recorded right until it shut off. That was the only way I think I was gonna find it. And you know what, guaranteed, is I probably put these other tracks here while it was sitting right there. So I looked through the footage, kind of showed me exactly where it was landed. Look, it still has the LEDs on. Oh my God, we found her! Woohoo! Oh my God, look at how low that sun is. Man, I bet you we had maybe another 20 minutes and she'd be freaking dark out here. Good God. Thank you. Right on. All right, let's go check out the footage.
Okay, boys, this is exactly how I found it. It puts a cached copy on your phone. So like the full 12 minutes and 42 seconds was on my phone, thank God. So I was able to follow it. See that it's following me? And right here where it hits 1% and it lands no matter what. It kind of looks for a bit of a safe place and it ditches. So I was able to kind of see where that snowbank was. Sorry, phone's cold and it's all full of condensation. Whoops, going the wrong way. The phone's all wet, so yeah, anyways. So there's me going through there and it ditches and right on the left hand side of where I went through. And you can see there's no other tracks there. Well, besides that one, but there's no other tracks there. So when I found the phone, or when I found the drone, I recorded on my phone and there was another track right beside it. So I almost ran it over while I was looking for it. I still didn't see it. So I don't know if I wouldn't have found it if it wasn't for this. Boom, ditches right into the weeds there. So with that little crucial piece of information, it was easy to find. It took me about 2 minutes to find it once I reviewed the footage, but it took me about 40 minutes to remember that there's a cached copy on the phone. So thank God.